Bad credit shouldn't stop you from accomplishing your life goals. Even those with low credit scores still need to qualify for a mortgage or take out student loans. In fact, a recent survey showed that over 30% of Americans with credit scores of 680 and under are still likely to apply for credit in the next 12 months. If you're part of that group, continue watching for tips on how to qualify for the best bad credit loans. Interest rate. A low credit score will probably prevent you from snagging an optimal interest rate, but it's important not to accept a loan with sky-high numbers. Short-term payday loans are becoming more popular for borrowers who need a small amount of cash to cover their expenses. The average amount borrowed is $350, but interest rates can rise up to 400%. Interest rates vary depending on the type of loan and current trends, so be sure to do some research on the average rates for your type of loan before borrowing. Repayment terms. In general, you want to pay the largest amount you can afford over the shortest period of time. This can be tricky with a low credit score, so be prepared to shop around until you find the right loan. Just remember, small monthly payments stretched out over a long period of time will add up, especially if you have a high interest rate. Know your rights. Federal regulations vary depending on the type of loan you're looking for, but there are rules in place to protect you. Check with the FDIC to see what rights you have as a consumer before you sign off on a loan. Get creative. If you're having trouble landing a loan that works for you, there are other options to explore. Equity. First, consider tapping your equity. If you're a homeowner, you can establish a home equity line of credit. This allows you to borrow a set amount against the value of your home. Choose this option carefully, however. If you default on your payments, your home could be in jeopardy. Credit union. Also consider a credit union. Credit unions act like banks in many ways, but they're actually member-owned nonprofit institutions. They may be willing to lend a borrower with bad credit, especially if you're a member. Peer-to-peer. Then consider going peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer lending takes the bank out of the equation. Instead, you make your case directly to private lenders via an online platform. Just be wary of any loan that sounds too good to be true. Cosigner. Finally, see if you can find a cosigner. If you have a friend or family member with great credit, consider asking them to cosign a loan. Just remember, if you miss payments, your cosigner will be on the hook for your debt. Ready to find the best bad credit loans? Come on over and visit our site to start shopping today. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.